Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And yesterday I posted my video on how things are coming along with the iRestore Elite and the success. While I was doing that, I accidentally deleted this video, which is comparing the Professional to the Elite and kind of sharing my story. So I'm going to go ahead and repost this video. So if you are looking for a comparison for the Professional versus the Elite, you can also see that there. And I'll also remove the music, which I realized in that video was a little bit too loud. So enjoy the video, have a great day, and if you have any questions, let me know. Well, it's been a little bit since I give an update on the iRestore and my progress with my hair. In the last video, I talked about my hair and the patch that I have, and while I did use the Professional for a while, it didn't give me the level that I was hoping for. So I connected with the company and they just came out with the Elite, and look forward to doing open boxing and diving in with you. So if you're wanting to know more about the Elite, then you could see what's included. And I took a peek in the box and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with what I see. And I'll be sure to put my referral link with any promotions that I have, and you can check out both devices. So let's go ahead and get this opened up, and then I'll compare the two devices, the Professional and the Elite. First of all, by the way, there are accessories that you can get. So you can get some shampoo, you can get the conditioner, you can get this serum, hair serum. They have a comb, and then we'll talk about the battery pack, which I'm going to definitely recommend the battery pack. Otherwise, you're going to have to be near an outlet to use it, and especially as you're going to have to use the Elite now every day versus every other day with the Professional, you definitely want that. So let's go ahead and get this open. By the way, this is the packaging, really nice and first class by the company, which I believe that they've done here. And we'll get this opened. And what's nice about this one, first of all, is it comes with this carrying case. How nice is that? So being that you're going to use it every day, and if you travel, then you can keep it protected in that case. So very nice, and it comes with this really nice booklet in here as well. So it got here quick start guide. So all that good stuff in here, and we'll put this down here on the side. And let's go ahead and take this out of the case. Really nice case, by the way. So they've really done a nice job. So the Professional is the white device and the Elite is black, and it also has the remote control. And then it comes with this nice pouch with the plug in it, which again, you can go with using the plug, and then you could then just go ahead this way and use it. Or as I mentioned with the battery pack, which I'll take out in a second, just want to show you what else is included. So this is like a neoprene case, and it also has as well a microfiber cleaning cloth. So very nice there. Now with the battery pack, what is nice is it works well, you charge it up, and you just clip it right on your belt. And it does have the instructions there. Take this out, and you got the clip there. So instead, all you do is you snap that right on here, and there you go. And let me just, there we go. So you'll have your timer to show that it's going to go ahead, and I'll put it on here in a second so you can see. And what it does, it actually has a safety part to this. So when it's not on your head, you cannot actually start a treatment. It will actually prevent you from doing that, but once you put it on your head, you can. So, whoop. All right. Now, first of all, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Ooh, wow, that is very comfortable. The padding, by the way. I'm going to compare that in a minute, but now that it's on, I can go ahead and there it is. It gives you the 12 minutes. If I take it off, you could see what will happen is there are no lasers and it's stuck at 12. If I put it back on, you should be able to see, and if I press the start, there we go. So now it's going because I pressed the start button or the play, and you can also pause it. Now if I take it off, you could see the lights stop, and also it flashes. And then if I put it back on, it's going to detect that. Now I should be able to start doing the treatment again. So that is how it works. And what's nice is that you can just keep the belt clip on your belt and you're good to go. If it disconnects, put it back in there and it should pick back up where it left off last, and then you would be good to go. Otherwise, if somehow it resets, then, you know, let's just say you're like 8 minutes into the session, so you do another 4. So that is a nice feature. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the difference between both of these devices. So they are the same size of each other, and you have a little difference in the padding. The padding, to me, is a nice upgrade with the Elite versus the Professional, so that is a big difference there. Now let me just share with you just a few things as far as the specs of the two. So first of all, the Professional has 250 LEDs and lasers, where the Elite has 500, so you're getting twice as much. It is a 25-minute session every other day with the Professional. With the Elite, it is going to be every day at 12 minutes, so something to keep in mind. Now, obviously, you know, there have been days where I may have forgotten, but I did put it on my calendar every day just to remind me. So you may have some days that you might forget, but you're supposed to use it every day. Also, it does have, as far as the wavelength of red light, it's got single wavelength red light, where it has that's on the Professional. On the Elite, it's triple wavelength red light, and it has the advanced V-cell lasers, which uses 3 different wavelengths to enhance hair follicle stimulation. And otherwise, they, again, same size. And also another note, the Elite is the most powerful at-home low-level laser, which they call LLLT device on the market. So those are the difference between the two. So I'm excited to get my sessions going. I'll take a photo of my hair, of the before, and I will be back as I have an opportunity to put it to the test to really see if it can make a difference. Don't forget, when you do place your order, you can order the additional accessories, but I definitely would recommend the battery pack. For me, I got the battery pack. I'm going to use my shampoo that I have, see how it does, and look forward to testing it that way. All right, thanks for joining me today. I'll be back, and if you are using either one of these devices, feel free to leave any comments. If you have any questions, let me know. There is a lot of information on the website that you'll be able to check out as well, and I look forward to, again, sharing with you my update. All right, have a good one. Take care.